Good morning, everyone. My name is Esketosna with ID number 17124259094. And today I would like to present my business plan called FrostLink Logistic. This presentation is submitted to fulfill one of the requirements for the English to final examination. Under the supervision of my lecturer, Dr. Susan Febriantina, SPD, MPD. FrostLink Logistics is a cold chain logistics company with the tagline Cold Control Connected. The main idea of this business is to help companies store and deliver temperature sensitive products in a safe and reliable way. In this presentation, I will explain the business concepts, target market, service, marketing strategy, financial projection, and future expansion plan of FrostLink Logistics. Executive summary. First, let me give a short overview of the business. FrostLink Logistics is a B2B cold chain logistics company. B2B means that our main customer are businesses, not individual consumers. We provide for main service, temperature controlled storage, refrigerated transportation, real-time temperature monitoring, and integrate distribution management. Our first operational hub will be located in Bekasi, and our interior service area will cover Greater Jakarta, including Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi. After the business becomes stable, FrostLink plans to expand step by step across Java and later to other strategic regions in Indonesia. Business background. Now let me explain why this business is needed. Many products, especially frozen food, seafood, meat, dairy products, and other fresh food ingredients, need a stable temperatures during storage and delivery. The problem is that cold chain logistics is not simple. Companies need cold storage facilities, refrigerated, specialized temperature monitoring system, regular maintenance, and trained employees. Building and managing all of this system can be expensive and difficult, especially for growing companies. Some businesses are good at producing and selling their products, but they do not have enough cold storage or refrigerated transportation. That is where FrostLink comes in. Interested interest of managing everything alone. Business can use FrostLink as one integrated cold chain logistic partner. Business description. The FrostLink system is designed to connect every important part of the cold chain process. The process starts with product pickup. After that, we check the temperature and condition of the product. Then the product is stored in our cold storage facility. Then an order comes in. Our team prepares the product, manages the inventory, plans the route, and delivers the goods using refrigerated vessels. During transportation, the temperature and special location can be monitored in real time. After the product arrives, the delivery is confirmed and recorded. So FrostLink does not only move product from one place to another. We help protect product quality from storage until final delivery. Product or service line. FrostLink Logistics has four main services. The first service is temperature controlled storage. We provide chilled and frozen storage facilities for products that need specific temperature condition. The second service is refrigerated transportation. We provide delivery service using refrigerated vessels for local, scheduled, multi-location, and later intercity distribution. The third service is real-time temperature monitoring. The system allows us to monitor product temperature, vessel location, delivery status, and estimated arrival time. If there is an unusual temperature change, the operation team can respond quickly. The fourth service is integrated distribution management. This is a complete service for companies that want FrostLink to manage the whole logistic process from pickup and storage until final delivery. Market analysis. Our target consumer are complicated companies that regularly handle temperature-sensitive products. These include frozen food manufacturer, seafood and meat distributor, dairy companies, supermarket, retail chains, hotels, restaurant, catering companies, and food distributors. Our first market area is Greater Jakarta. We choose Bekasi as the initial operational hub because FrostLink want to focus on one strong regional market before expanding further. In idea is simple. First, we build a reliable, focused, stable operation and long-term consumer relationship in Greater Jakarta. After that, we expand to West Java and Central Java, then across Java and later to other regions in Indonesia. This gradual expansion strategy is more realistic and easier to control. To operate this business, FrostLink need a clear organizational structure. The company will be led by a chief executive officer. Under the CEO, there are several main departments. The operation department manages warehouse activities, transportation, routes, and daily logistic operation. The technology and monitoring department manage temperature monitoring, GPS tracking, and digital system. The quality and complicate department make sure that temperature standard and operational products are followed properly. The sales and partnership department focus on finding clients, building partnership, and managing business relationship. Finally, the finance and administration department manage budgeting, payments, accounts, and financial report. At the beginning, FrostLink is expensive to employ around 25 to 30 people. Budgeting and sales strategy. For marketing, FrostLink will focus mainly on direct B2B sales. Our sales team will approach potential clients as manufacturers, distributors, hotel, restaurants, supermarket, and catering companies. The process starts by identifying a potential customer. Then we meet with the company, understand their logistic needs, prepare a consumer proposal, discuss the price and service term, and finally create a long-term service agreement. FrostLink will also use digital marketing. We will use a corporate website to explain our service and allow businesses to request consultation. LinkedIn will be used for professional networking, business communication, and finding new leads. We also plan to build a partnership with food industry association, industrial status, warehouse provider, technology companies, and regional logistic partners. Our main goal is not only to get customer, but also to keep them for the long term. financial projection. Now let us look at the financial plan. The estimated initial investment for FrostLink is around 9.5 billion rupiah. This investment will be used for warehouse preparation, cold storage equipment, refrigerated fleet preparation, monitoring technology, equipment, training, licensing, and working capital. For revenue, FrostLink will earn income from five main sources. There are cold storage fees, varied transportation fees, monthly logistic contract, dedicated fleet contract, and premium monitoring and reporting service. In the first year, the estimated revenue is 7.2 billion rupiah with an estimated net profit of 7,000 million rupiah. In the second year, revenue is projected to increase to 11.4 billion rupiah with a net profit of 2.2 billion rupiah. In the third year, revenue is projected to reach 17.2 billion rupiah with an estimated net profit of 4 billion rupiah. In the company will grow gradually and avoid expanding too fast before the first market becomes stable. Next is the SPLT analysis. For the strings, FrostLink provides integrated service, real-time temperature monitoring, recurring B2B contract, and a gradual expansion strategy. For the weakness, the business requires high initial investment and high operating costs, especially for electricity, fuel, and maintenance. FrostLink also depends on specialized equipment and as a new company still needs to build strong brand awareness. For opportunities, there is growing demand for cold chain service, especially from food businesses and prefer to outsource logistics in instead of building their own facilities. Technology also gives FrostLink opportunities to improve monitoring and customer experience. For trades, the company may face competition from established logistic companies, increasing fuel and electricity price, equipment value, traffic congestion, and delivery disruption. Because of these risks, FrostLink must focus on preventive maintenance, route planning, monitoring system, and backup producer. To conclude, FrostLink Logistics is designed as a long-term cold chain logistic business. The company combines cold storage, refrigerated transportation, real-time temperature monitoring, and distribution management in one integrated service system. FrostLink will start from Bekasi and serve business in Greater Jakarta. After the company will stable operation and long-term customers contract, it will expand gradually across Java and later to other strategic regions in Indonesia. The main goal of FrostLink is uh, to become a trusted logistic partner for business that needs safe and reliable temperature-controlled distributor. And that is the meaning behind our tagline, Hold, Control, Connected. That is all for my presentation about FrostLink Logistics. I hope this business plan provides a clear overview of my proposed business. Thank you.